Thinking of visiting Louisiana? Whether you're drawn by jazz-filled streets, wild bayous, or just really good food, I've got you covered. Here are my top 5 must-see spots in the Bayou State. First up, the legendary New Orleans. This city's got energy like nowhere else. Picture yourself wandering the colorful French Quarter listening to live jazz that pours out onto the streets. Grab a fluffy beignet at Café du Monde, you'll probably be right back for another one. And when you're ready for a little time to relax, take a riverboat cruise down the Mississippi at sunset. There's nothing like it. Next, Baton Rouge. This is Louisiana's capital, and it's packed with southern charm. The state capitol here is the tallest in the country. The view from the top is unreal. Don't skip the old state capitol either. It looks like a castle straight out of a fairy tale. And if you're a football fan, the LSU campus is electrifying on game days. Craving a culture fix? Head to Lafayette, the heart of Cajun country. This place is bursting with music from Zydeco to Swamp Pop. The food here is out of this world. Get yourself some gumbo or jump into a crawfish boil with the locals. Plus, the festivals here celebrate French roots in the best way possible, with dancing, laughter, and seriously good eats. Now let's slow it down in Natchitoches. This is Louisiana's oldest town, and it feels like you've stepped into a storybook. Stroll along the brick-lined riverfront, take in the centuries-old buildings, and if you visit during the holidays, the Christmas festival lights up the whole place. It's pure magic. Last stop, Avery Island. If you love hot sauce, this is your paradise. Tour the Tabasco factory and see how the famous sauce is made. After that, you can wander through jungle gardens, spot alligators, and catch a glimpse of snowy egrets at Bird City. It's lush, it's wild, and it's unforgettable. That's just a taste of what Louisiana has to offer. Which spot would you add to your travel list? If you enjoyed the video, like and subscribe for more travel adventures. There's always something new to discover here on the channel. See you next time.